This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and physical fit. Check the PSU rating and available 6/8-pin cables so the GPU won't starve under load. Once done, update motherboard BIOS if older than a year to avoid compatibility quirks. Remove the case side panel, ground yourself, and seat the card firmly into the PCIe X16 slot. Secure it with screws. Make sure cables are routed to avoid obstructing fans, and keep the latest GPU driver installer ready on a USB drive. You now focus on software and firmware. Boot into BIOS to enable the PCIe slot, set PCIe Gen to auto or specify Gen 3/Gen 4, and enable 4G decoding on systems with large address spaces. After boot, run a clean GPU driver install from the manufacturer to remove old conflicts, and reboot. Once back in the OS, set power plan to high performance, connect monitors to the GPU outputs, and open the driver control panel to confirm clocks, fan curve, and multi-monitor layout. You finish by validating stability. Run a GPU stress test and watch temperatures, clocks, and power draw in real time so you can correlate behavior under load. If temps or noise are high, make fan curve adjustments or apply a modest undervolt rather than aggressive overclocking. This preserves longevity. If you encounter no post, driver errors, or visual artifacts, reseat the card, try alternate PCIe power cables or another slot, and test with a spare PSU. These steps isolate hardware from software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.